You may want to find articles from trade journals as opposed to academic journals once in a while. Trade journal articles are written for people in a particular business, industry, or trade to tell you the news and updates and trends and things happening in that particular industry. They're more news-like rather than academic. They don't usually have peer review, and they do not present original research. There's a couple of ways to find trade journal articles, and I'm going to show you a couple of them. From our website, Mears Library website, click on Subject Guides and Business. And the first place we're going to go is to ProQuest Research Library. This is what the ProQuest platform looks like. Over here under Source Type, we're going to select Trade Journals. And then we're going to just put in a search term. Human Resource Management, and see what we get. We have over 129,000 hits, which is a lot. So like in any other search, if we put the terms in quotes, that will help us sort down to get a few less results, and now we have 34,000. Also, down here it's telling us that we are getting articles from 1970 to the present. So let's say, since it's just the latest news, let's try to get only articles published since 2020. And now we're down to 1,100 results. To narrow down the search even further, let's add some more keywords. Let's try "and artificial intelligence" and see what we get. Now we're down to 127 results. So we're into something here that we can deal with. You can take a look at the titles. This is what they look like when you go in. If you happen to see full text PDF, it will look exactly like the publication itself. Another platform we have to find trade journals is through EBSCO. Business Source Premier is an EBSCO product, and it looks very similar. Over here under publication type, we will select trade publication. Let's do the same search for human resource management. We have 24,000 hits. Let's try again to put that in quotes and see if we can make it a little bit more manageable. It only went down 1,000. So down here we can look at the timeline, and this says from 1964 to today. So let's move this over and just get articles from 2020 onward. And we have a lot fewer articles. So then let's also narrow it down by adding more keywords. And I'm going to put those in quotes just to keep things tidy. And we have 90 results, which is really something we can manage. Again, here is the full text HTML version, and there's the article. If you scroll down a little farther, you will find a full text PDF article, and again, it looks like the actual journal itself. So that was a way to find trade journal articles, a couple of different ways to find trade trade journal articles. If you need any help, please let me know. Annie Sternberg at the library.